Increasing grape productivity. Tips for maximizing yields. Grapes are one of the most popular fruits worldwide, grown for fresh consumption, juice, wine production, and dried fruits like raisins. Increasing grape productivity is essential for maximizing the economic potential of vineyards. This requires understanding several crucial factors, including vineyard management, soil health, pest control, and environmental conditions. In this video, we'll dive into effective strategies to boost grape yield. 1. Choosing the right variety. The first step to increasing grape productivity is selecting the right grape variety suited to the local climate and soil conditions. Some varieties are more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses, while others may thrive better in specific soil types or climates. Local agricultural experts can provide guidance on which varieties are most productive in a given region. 2. Soil preparation and fertilization. Healthy soil is the foundation of any productive vineyard. Before planting, it's essential to test the soil's nutrient levels and pH to determine the correct amendments. Grapevines typically thrive in slightly acidic soil with a pH of around 6.0 to 6.5. Regular fertilization is key to improving grape yield. Organic matter such as compost can enhance soil structure and provide nutrients over time. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the primary nutrients for grapevines, but other micronutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are also important for their growth. A balanced fertilization plan, tailored to the vine's growth stages, helps maximize grape production. For instance, nitrogen helps with vegetative growth, while potassium is vital during the ripening stage. 3. Irrigation systems. Proper irrigation is crucial, especially in regions with low rainfall. Grapevines require moderate water stress to produce high-quality fruit, but too much water can lead to diseases, poor fruit quality, and reduced yields. Drip irrigation is an efficient system that ensures water is directed to the plant's roots, minimizing water waste. During dry spells, it's important to maintain soil moisture at optimal levels. However, it's equally important to avoid over-irrigation, which can encourage the growth of pests and diseases. The goal is to maintain a balanced water regime, which can be achieved by monitoring soil moisture levels regularly. 4. Pruning and training the vines. Pruning is one of the most critical vineyard management practices. Proper pruning helps control vine growth, improve air circulation, and reduce disease risks. It also directs the plant's energy toward fruit production rather than excessive vegetative growth. Regular pruning helps in the formation of a good structure, and this ensures better grape quality and higher yields. There are different training systems for grapevines, such as vertical shoot positioning, or VSP, cordon training, and the Geneva double curtain. The choice of training system depends on the variety of grapes and the local growing conditions. The key is to provide adequate support to the vines while allowing for optimal exposure to sunlight, which aids in ripening. 5. Pest and disease control. Effective pest and disease management is crucial for maintaining healthy vines and achieving high yields. Common pests like aphids, leafhoppers, and grapevine moths can significantly damage the vines and fruit, leading to lower productivity. Additionally, diseases like powdery mildew, downy mildew, and black rot can affect grape quality and yield. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, which combine biological, cultural, and chemical methods, are the most effective approach. Biological control can include releasing natural predators of pests, such as ladybugs or predatory mites. Cultural practices, such as crop rotation and using resistant grape varieties, also play a role in reducing pest populations. When chemical treatments are necessary, they should be applied based on a regular monitoring schedule, targeting specific pests and diseases. 6. Sunlight and temperature management. Grapevines require plenty of sunlight for photosynthesis and optimal fruit ripening. In regions with excessive heat, it may be necessary to employ shade nets or plant vine rows in ways that reduce exposure to extreme temperatures. Grapes grow best in areas with a moderate climate where the average temperature ranges between 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, during the growing season. Temperature extremes during flowering, fruit set, and ripening stages can lead to poor yields and grape quality. Additionally, adequate airflow and spacing between vines help to reduce excess humidity, preventing fungal diseases that can lower grape productivity. Proper vineyard layout, row direction, and vine spacing can optimize sunlight exposure and ensure healthy vine growth. 7. Pollination and flower management. While grapes are self-pollinating, ensuring optimal flower health and development is essential for high fruit set and yield. Factors like temperature, humidity, and wind play a role in pollination. In some cases, using honeybees or other pollinators can enhance fruit set in vineyards with low natural pollinator populations. Flower thinning may be needed to remove excess blooms and focus the plant's energy on producing fewer but larger, higher quality grapes. 8. Cover cropping and weed management. Weeds compete with grapevines for water, nutrients, and light, so effective weed management is vital for optimal grape yield. One way to manage weeds is through cover cropping. Cover crops like clover or vetch can suppress weeds, enhance soil fertility, and improve soil structure. They also provide a habitat for beneficial insects that help control pests. For weed control, mechanical methods such as tilling, mulching, or using herbicides, when necessary, can help minimize weed growth without damaging the vines. 9. Harvesting at the right time. Harvesting grapes at the right time is crucial to ensure that they have reached their optimal sugar and acid levels. Overripe grapes can result in high sugar content but low acidity, leading to lower quality wine or juice. On the other hand, underripe grapes can result in sour, unbalanced products. Regular testing of grape maturity, including sugar content, acidity, and pH, should guide harvest timing. In general, harvesting should be done early in the morning when temperatures are cooler, which help preserve the quality of the grapes. Harvesting in small batches can also prevent excessive handling damage. 10. Vineyard maintenance and post-harvest care. After harvest, it's important to maintain the vineyard by performing regular maintenance on the vines, such as post-harvest pruning, vine training, and disease monitoring. This ensures that the vineyard remains healthy for the next growing season. Additionally, preparing the soil with compost or organic fertilizers will improve its nutrient content, setting the stage for future crop production. Conclusion: increasing grape productivity requires a combination of good soil management, appropriate irrigation practices, pest control, and timely interventions like pruning, training, and careful harvesting. By paying attention to these factors, you can significantly boost your grape yield, ensuring healthy vines and high-quality fruit year after year. Effective vineyard management ultimately leads to more profitable and sustainable grape farming, whether for fresh consumption, wine production, or dried grapes.